Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can add Apple Card to Amazon. So for that you need to open up your Amazon account, and after that you need to open up your account by clicking on this option of this man sitting on the bottom. Just click on it, and after that you need to click on this option of your account and then scroll down and find this section of Amazon Pay. And here you will find this option of Amazon payment options, or it might be the Amazon payment method for you. So just select this option, and after that you will be able to see this option of set a preferred payment method, or it can be a little different in your device. Just select a preferred payment method on your device, add your Apple Card into it, and make sure that you have set your Apple Card to default. So this way, whenever you are making a purchase, your Apple Card will be on default and it will be paid through your Apple Card. So this is how you get to add Apple Card on Amazon. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.